Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, you can go through the questions in page number 29. Okay, you can try to solve them. We'll start in couple of minutes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I have a doubt in question number 5 of page number 29.
Okay, question number 5 of fourth one, is it? Within the fourth section? Roman
No,
number
sir,
4?
number 5.
Okay,
What you have given as the homework.
Roman number 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will discuss today those, huh? All the questions we will discuss.
Sir, we have
Okay,
sent the
sir.
answer in Google Meet as you have said.
Okay, you have sent. Okay, good.
So I have done question number 5 also and sent.
Okay, okay, good. I will go through the questions. Okay, so page number 29 and question number 5. So next, who has to answer? Whose turn is it? I think I have asked till which roll number yesterday. Let me see.
Sir, till roll number 40 you have completed.
Till 40, right? Okay.
Sir, you are actually going from backward, means 60, 53, 52, 51 like this.
Okay, so okay, I think Samarth Dutt
Sir, you
Singh
were taking randomly.
randomly only. Yeah? Okay, so 41 Samarth Dutt Singh.
Yes, sir.
So can you answer the odd man out question in page number 29? Death and decay of plants and animals, burning of paper, high and low tides in sea, weathering of rocks. Which one
So
is
it
the odd
is
one?
high and low tides in sea.
Yes,
Sir,
because
because rest all are sir, it is a periodic change.
this one is a periodic change and remaining are which one?
Sir, chemical changes.
Weathering
Sir,
of
remaining are non-periodic change.
non-periodic change. Okay.
Sir,
So
because the weathering of rock can be take after 1 million year also.
it's a slow process. It will take a lot of time. It is not a periodic process. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can the answer here be burning of paper?
Yes, sir, because it is fast change and the others are slow change.
And yes, sir, it is also man-made change like
As
others are
well, burning
natural
of paper is a
changes.
chemical change, sir.
Yes. So this
Yes,
is
sir, and burning of paper is chemical change also.
yes. So this is one possibility. Odd man. Okay. And other one also can be burning of paper. Okay, which is a fast change. Okay, death and decay of plant and animals is also chemical change. Okay, burning of paper is also chemical change. Okay, but main thing is that this is a fast change, burning of paper, whereas the remaining are the all slow. Yes, this also can be the answer, no doubt about it. Both of these will be correct.
Sir, but high and low tides in the sea is more suitable because it is a
Actually,
it is also an example of physical change also because it is no new things are formed in this.
yeah, actually, this is the more best answer compared to the high and low tides in the sea, because the high and low tides in the sea need not be really that much periodic also. Okay, so when you say the pendulum in the clock, a pendulum, it is a periodically, it is moving harmonic motion, it is moving periodic. The waves tides in the sea, they will be high tide, low tide. Generally it is okay, it will be periodic, but it is not always 100%, it will be always like that. No, there can be sometimes it is not following exact time, that is also not correct. So therefore this can be correct, but this is the more better answer than this one. Okay, so first preference will give to this answer and second preference will give to this answer. Okay, next question. How come there are three IDs with the same name? Okay, 58. Okay, now it is coming only one ID, no? Okay, okay. Next, 38 Prachi Priya. 38 Prachi Priya, you are getting the voice?
Yes, sir.
So next question you can answer, that is rusting of iron, power failure, wear and tear of machines, burning of cooking gas. Which is the odd one?
Power failure, because it is a physical change while others are chemical.
Okay. So wear and
can I answer the burning of cooking gas?
Can you say that wear and tear of machines will it be considered physical change or chemical change? Prachi Priya has to answer. Wear and tear of machines. So whether it is a physical change or chemical change? Physical change. So power failure also you told it is a physical change. So then you have to think about some other answer. Rusting of iron is what type of change?
Chemical.
The reversible change.
No. Rusting of iron.
Chemical change.
It is a chemical change.
Chemical change, sir.
And power failure is a normal physical process. Tear and fear of the machines is also, and burning of the cooking gas is a chemical change. So based upon chemical and physical change, we are not able to just take one as a this one. So what other we can take?
Burning of cooking gas.
The burning of cooking gas.
Is a fast process.
Yes, sir. And so it is a desirable change also.
Desirable change.
So it's desirable change
Sir, it's
also.
desirable change also.
Okay, yes, this is a most appropriate answer. So burning of cooking gas, this is this is fast change and also desirable.
So because rest are non-desirable because they do not benefit us in any way.
Yes, they are not desirable also, and of course power failure we can't say is a slow and fast and all those things, but yes, desirable non-desirable is the more suitable. Yes. Next, number 3, Yati Anand 60. Earlier you have answered. Earlier you have answered before.
Yes, sir, I have answered.
Okay. Then we'll go for Utkarsh Anand. Have you answered earlier?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have next Abhigyan, roll number 4.
Yes, sir.
So the third question: magnetizing a piece of iron, digestion of food, drying of wet clothes, gluing of electric bulb. Which will be the odd man?
Digestion of food because it is a chemical change.
Digestion of food because it is a chemical change.
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Yes. So we can go for, okay, because magnetizing a piece of iron is a physical or chemical change?
Physical change.
Physical.
Magnetizing a piece of iron is a physical change.
Okay. Digestion is chemical change. Drying of wet clothes, physical change. Glowing of electric bulb,
Physical change.
physical. Okay, there is no chemical reaction, just electricity is passing through the filament. The filament will get heated and it will lose the energy in the form of heat and light. Okay, it is not exactly a chemical reaction here. So here the answer for 3 will be the digestion of food, which is a chemical change. Okay. Next, Aryan Jaiswal, roll number 2.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4. Melting of ice, aging of living beings, stretching of a rubber band, dissolution of sugar in water. Which one is odd?
Aging of living beings.
Okay, because
It is a permanent change and rest are reversible.
are reversible. Yes, correct answer. So, aging of living beings. Okay, it is a chemical change. So, and also it is irreversible. So, chemical changes are irreversible. So, whereas the remaining, the melting of ice, stretching of rubber, dissolution of sugar in water, all of them are physical changes. It is a chemical change that is irreversible. Okay, good. Next, understanding ideas. Answer in one word or one sentence. Okay. Page number 29. Answer in one word. Who is going to answer? Ayush okay. Okay. Jagriti 26.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of change is shown by tearing a paper?
So it's a physical change.
Physical change, correct. Next. Shreyam 49, I think you have answered earlier.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditi Anand, roll number 5.
Sir, I have also answered.
Answered, okay. So 59 also answered. Somya 50, roll number 50.
Sir, I have answered.
Answered. Okay. Aryan Raj 13.
Yes, sir.
So question number 2, if you put a drop of alcohol on your palm, you feel cool. State whether energy is evolved or absorbed in this example. So this we are using hand sanitizer, no? So we are using the hand sanitizer. We are after using that one, you feel your hand, your palm is a bit cool. So why?
Yes.
Whether energy is evolved or it is absorbed.
So it is evolved.
It is evolved. Okay. So can you just slightly can you explain your answer? Why you think? You see, basically what is happening when we are applying this hand sanitizer and all, it has at least 70% alcohol is there, and the temperature of our hand, okay, it is coming to at least 37 degrees centigrade, okay, or 98 degree Fahrenheit. So the alcohol will evaporate at a lower temperature than water. Water needs 100 degrees centigrade for boiling. So when we apply the alcohol in our hands, the alcohol will absorb, okay, it will absorb the heat from body. Alcohol will absorb the heat from the body and it will evaporate. So because the heat from the body is lost, what will happen to the temperature?
It will get absorbed.
Temperature, what will happen to temperature? It will increase or it will decrease?
Decrease.
And if the heat is absorbed, then the temperature of the body will decrease.
Because what is happening, the heat is being absorbed by alcohol and alcohol is evaporating. So whatever heat is there in that part of your hand, it has gone with alcohol because alcohol took that heat. So automatically the temperature in that place will become less and you feel the cooling sensation. Okay, now here what is happening? Energy is absorbed. Energy is absorbed. Absorbed by whom? Not by our hand, by alcohol. And after the alcohol absorbs the heat, it will evaporate. Therefore, our hand will feel cool because heat is lost. Okay, understood this one? Anyone has any doubt in this one? All of you followed?
No, sir.
You can, Shivam, try
Sir,
to.
I am having doubt. I didn't understood.
Okay, let us understand more clearly. Now, there is a hand. Okay, in the hand, the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. Okay, then what you did, you put some alcohol on your hand. This alcohol, it absorbed this heat from this hand. Okay, after absorbing the heat from the hand, the alcohol got evaporated. When alcohol absorbed the heat from your hand, the heat in your hand will reduce or not?
Yes, sir, it will reduce.
Because it took away the heat. After taking the heat, the alcohol is not still sitting on your hand, it evaporated. So when it evaporated, it took away that heat from your hand. Because the heat is taken away from your hand will feel much cooler. Okay, that's why the hand will appear to be more cool. Okay, so the alcohol, it absorbed the energy. Okay, so the energy is absorbed by the alcohol here in this example. Okay, now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Okay, you can switch off your microphone. Yeah. Okay, next, who is there? Aryan has answered. Okay, Tanya 53. Have you answered already?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Ayush Raj 16.
Yes, sir.
So next question: which type of change is seen in the leaves of a mimosa plant when it is touched?
Sir, reversible.
Reversible. Correct answer. Because this mimosa plant, it is also known as the touch me not plant. So when we touch the plant, then it leaflets, they will close. After some time, again they will open up. Okay, therefore it is a reversible change. Okay, good. Next, fourth question. Ekashi Gupta 22.
Yes, sir.
Fourth question, name the process in which heat is liberated during a change.
Sir, exothermic change.
Yes, correct answer. Exothermic. Okay, exothermic change. In a exothermic change, heat will be liberated. And in the case of endothermic, heat will be absorbed. So in the question number 2, whether it was endothermic or exothermic?
Sir, endothermic.
Endothermic.
Sir, endothermic.
It is endothermic. So most of the time whatever is, the student will think, okay, endothermic, that means it is going to absorb heat. If it absorb heat, then more heat will be there, then it will become more hot. Okay, correct, there is no wrong in that. But here what happened is that alcohol got evaporated. Because the alcohol got evaporated, it took that heat from the hand away. That is why the hand was feeling cold. Okay, next, 45, Shivam, I think you have answered already. Shivam, have you answered already 45? Okay. 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 I think now the students may answer second time also, no problem. Any one of you who has not answered even once, you want to answer? Anyone who want to answer can, okay, you can tell. Anyone who want to answer next question? Hasn't answered
Sir,
earlier?
may I?
Okay.
Sir, may I?
Okay, roll
Sir,
number
may I?
1. Okay,
Sir, may I?
Sir, may I?
roll number
May
1.
I?
Yes, yes. Roll number 1. Okay, the name is not coming full here. So roll number 1, you can answer. During a chemical change, energy is either evolved or absorbed. In which form is this energy seen? Okay, you can tell your name because it is not displayed completely on my screen. Roll number 1.
The Aradhya Suman.
Okay, Aradhya Suman. So Aradhya, this is fifth question. Can you answer? During a chemical change, energy is either evolved or absorbed. In which form is this energy seen?
During a chemical change, energy can be both evolved or absorbed.
Correct.
It can be seen in the form of heat, light, and sound.
Yes, correct. It can be in the form of a heat, light, or sound. Okay. The energy may be either absorbed.
So I have to say one thing.
Yeah.
That after chapter number 1, we are not discussed the answer the following question in details and short.
Okay. So maybe what?
So you said that we will discuss later with the chapter number 2.
Okay. So what we will do is
Yes, sir.
Sir, and you said that you will send PDF of answer in details of chemistry.
Okay. So what we will do is we'll see how much we can cover, because after this again you are having your summer vacations. So we will see today how many.
So you send us PDF, we will write in our copy.
Yes, yes, that
As I
that can be
understand.
done. Okay, so I will send you the PDF of the answers that you can use. Okay, so next question. Define the following terms. Okay, who want to answer? That is, I think from
So
roll
may
number
I?
1.
Sir, may I?
Wait. Roll
Sir,
number
may I?
1 moment. Roll number 1 to 10. Anyone has not answered? 11 to 20. Anyone who want to answer between 11 to 20? Roll number 20 to 30.
Sir, me.
Okay. Okay. So I am not able to see your name on the screen. Okay. So you can tell your name.
Sir, my name is Mayank.
Okay, Mayank. Okay, Mayank. Yes, Mayank 30. So define the following terms. Okay, I think these definitions are there direct in textbook. You can directly write from the textbook the definitions. So the third one we will see. State whether rusting of iron is a physical or a chemical change. How can you prevent rusting of iron?
Rusting of iron is a chemical change. We can apply grease or paint on the iron so that we can prevent it from rusting.
Yes, that is correct. So page number 30, the question number 3. Okay, rusting
We
of
can
iron.
also add or we can prevent it from electroplating.
Yes, chemical change. We can paint it. We can do electroplating. Okay. In electroplating, what we'll be doing basically, there will be a thin layer of some other metal that will deposit on the iron, something like aluminium, okay, like that. So they don't corrode very easily, they will not undergo rust very easily, so the life of that iron one will become long. That can be done. Yes. So between 20 and 30, anyone else? Between 30 and 40? Roll number 30 and 40, anyone want to answer? 40 and 50?
So may I?
Yeah. Okay.
So may I?
Okay. We'll go one by one. Okay. First 45
Sir.
is coming. Shivam, you can answer. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different type of changes.
Sir, it is because the burning of wood is in this the new bonds, chemical bonds are formed, and the mass of the wood is also in, and the weight of the wood and the volume between. Sorry, sir. Sir, the burning of wood is known as chemical change because there's new substances are formed when we burn in wood, whereas the cutting of the wood is a physical change because in this only the shape and the size of the wood is reduced or changed. There's no any chemical bonds are formed. No, there's no any new chemical bonds are formed.
Yes, that is correct.
Actually, at
Citing.
first I have said wrong something. That's why I recorrected it.
Okay. Okay, this is the correct answer. So burning of wood is the chemical change because new substances will be formed. The cutting of wood is a physical change because the change is coming only in the size and shape. Okay, good. Next, Shreyam want to answer? 49.
So may I?
Okay. We'll go. Bhavya, what is your roll number?
So roll number is 18.
18. Okay, okay. So first we will see the 49. Okay, 49. Shreyam, you wanted to answer? Okay, Bhavya, you answer. Next question. When baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of a gas. What type of change is it? Explain. Okay, Bhavya, you can answer.
Sorry, sir, but due to unstable network connection, I was not able to reply to your.
Okay. So next question. Next question you can answer. Okay, Bhavya, go ahead. Do you want to answer this question? Okay, Shreyam, go ahead. Baking soda reacting with lemon juice is giving rise to some bubbles, gases are formed. What type of change is it?
When if baking soda is mixed with lemon, bubbles are formed with evolution of gas, then it is a chemical change, as the evolution of gas is a characteristic of a chemical change, which shows the evolution of a chemical change.
What do you expect?
And new
this-
substances are formed.
Yeah. What type of gas you are thinking this may be? Okay, we are almost at time. Yeah. What type of gas it may be? Baking soda, lemon juice. Lemon juice is citric acid. Okay. And baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Okay, when this reaction is taking place, it will liberate the carbon dioxide plus sodium citrate. Okay, so new chemicals are formed. The gas that is evolved is carbon dioxide, therefore it is a chemical change. Okay, so the remaining questions we can tomorrow we have
Sir,
class?
once you again repeat the answer of question number 3.
Yes.
Sir, actually the internet is not stable
Okay,
because
you
cloudy
can,
weather is
yeah,
there.
yes, that is correct. So you can see here, baking soda is there, that is reacting with lemon juice, which is a citric acid. It will give the bubbling. That bubbling is the carbon dioxide gas, and other chemical is sodium citrate will be formed. Since new chemicals are being formed, it is a chemical change. The gas that is evolved is the carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, the question is which gas and what type of reaction. Okay, so I will just take the attendance.